Konnichiwa. Jambo. Maganda hapon. It's me, Masunga John again. I'm going to make a fish soup. Or Philippines, they call it fishy sinigang. But today I am going to use inada. Inada is a red, yellow-tailed fish. It's a Japanese fish. Here are the ingredients I'm going to use today. Onions, ginger, chilies, garlic, tomato, the sinigang mix, and the vegetables. So this is how I'm gonna start cooking. First, boil water, and when the water is boiled, add the ginger. Then let the ginger boil for a few minutes. Smells good already. It smells good already. So I'm going to add the onions. Onions. And the garlic. So I will add the rest, the peppers and the tomato. Okay. Okay, then I will cover it. So while I'm waiting for the vegetables and all the ingredients to cook, then I will cut the fish. Okay, this is how to cut the fish. Okay, I'll clean it just a little. So next I'm gonna add the sinigang mix in the soup. Mix it a bit. Okay, now I'm adding the sinigang mix. So we're gonna taste. Okay, so now we're gonna add the fish. Okay, and let it boil for a few minutes. So we'll check if the mixture is ready. Then the last step is to add the vegetables. boiling for a few minutes. We're gonna check if our sinigang is done. Yeah, let's see. Okay, the vegetables are soft. And how they taste. Yes, perfect. It tastes amazing. So that was a very simple way of how to make sinigang or just fish soup. Because this style of making, we do it in Africa, except for the sinigang mix. Please subscribe, comment, like, and share. It's me, Masunga John. So thank you for watching this video. Goodbye, Jane, Kwaheri, Paalam.